This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling the MicroMod Artemis Processor from SparkFun. Modern development boards are all about flexibility, whether that's in the way of features, connector variety, or a broad range of use cases. The MicroMod Artemis Processor from SparkFun is just this type. It can be used in applications from machine learning to Bluetooth Low Energy, and even features I2C if you want to connect it to other Qwiic boards. But this tiny little board can also be connected easily to larger MicroMod carrier boards for even more features and functionality. The MicroMod Artemis Processor is centered around SparkFun's Artemis module, which runs on an Ambiq Apollo3. The Apollo3 is powered by an Arm Cortex M4F with a floating point unit and turboSPOT, which allows it to run at up to 96 MHz while maintaining low power consumption to maximize the lifespan of battery-powered devices. The Artemis module is a fully certified open-source MPU module that not only includes TensorFlow capabilities for machine learning use cases, but also enables the Artemis processor's BLE 5.0 functionality via a built-in radio and antenna. But getting back to the MicroMod Artemis processor itself, it features a megabyte of flash memory and an additional 384 kilobytes of RAM. Even at full operation, the processor runs at under 5 milliwatts, just 6 microamps per megahertz when using TensorFlow Lite. The processor board also includes 48 interrupt-capable GPIO, 31 PWM channels, 6 I2C and SPI buses, PDM and I2S interfaces, a secure smart card interface, and a whole host of other features and peripherals. Now, we keep talking about MicroMod, but to get more specific, MicroMod is a modular interface ecosystem for connecting microcontroller processor boards to carrier board peripherals. It makes use of the M.2 standard to ease the process of switching out processor boards as needed. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about the MicroMod Artemis processor, there's tons of documentation available on the product page, including datasheets, pinout descriptions, Eagle files, and even a hardware repository on GitHub. But if you're already sold and want to get your hands on one, they're available for purchase from SparkFun for just $14.95. Of course, you can also enter this week's raffle, linked on screen now and in the description below, for a chance to win this little one right here for free. That's it for this week, so as always, thank you for watching, good luck in the raffle, and we'll see you on the next episode of DevKit Weekly.
For more content from embedded computing design, including behind-the-scenes footage, raffles, giveaways, and just cool stuff that we're doing in general, visit us on social at the links provided in the bio below.